Hello, Professor Jordan. I'm Giacomo Castellano, and today I'm going to explain you a little bit more of our animation of science. So, as I said before, my group is me, Matias Cava, Stefano Vargas, and Fabio Castro. I'm going to start from the beginning. The first phase of eukaryotic cell cycle is first gap G1. So, during this phase, the cells grow rapidly, as you can see in the animation, while performing routine metabolic processes. It also makes proteins needed for DNA replication and copies some of its organelles in preparations for cell division. It as well performs its normal cell cycle and nothing changes. Synthesis. This phase is very simple actually. The cell DNA, as you can see here, is copied in the process of DNA replication. Second gap, G2, is the third phase of the eukaryotic cell cycle. So, during this phase, the cell makes final preparations to divide. For example, it grows a little bit more and it makes additional proteins and organelles, as you can see here, 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 and here. Prophase is the number 4 phase of the eukaryotic cell cycle. So, during prophase, chromatin condenses into chromosomes, and the nuclear envelope or membrane, as you can see, as you're going to see here, it's going to break down. The fifth phase of the eukaryotic cycle is metaphase. So in this phase, what happened? During metaphase, spindle fibers, the sister chromatids line up at the equator or center of the cell, as you can see here, and after that, the spindle fibers attach to the centromere of each pair of sister chromatids. So these are the spindle fibers, and they attach to each pair of sister chromatids. Our next phase, anaphase. During anaphase, the sister chromatids separate and the centromere divides. The sister chromatids are pulled apart, as you are going to see here, because by the shortening of the spindle fibers. So these things that are called, as I said before, the spindle fibers, they get shorter, so that's why they pull the sister chromatids and they split in two. Telophase. So, during this phase, during telophase, the chromosomes begin to uncoil and form chromatin. This prepares the genetic material for directing the metabolic activities of the new cells. Our final phase is cytokinesis. So, during cytokinesis, the cytoplasm splits in two and the cell divides. Each cell is going to have now its own nucleus and its own proteins. Thank you very much.